Chime gift cards are a convenient way to give or receive funds. Here is how to use them effectively. Step 1. Obtain a Chime gift card. Purchase a Chime gift card from a retailer or online. Ensure that the card is activated and has a balance. Step 2. Register the card. If required, register the gift card on the Chime website or app. This may involve providing the card number and personal information to link it to your account. Step 3. Check the balance. Before using the card, check the balance to ensure that it has sufficient funds. You can do this through the Chime app or website. Step 4. Use the card for purchases. Use the Chime gift card at any merchant that accepts it. Simply present the card at checkout or enter the card details for online purchases. Step 5. Monitor your transactions. Keep track of your spending by reviewing your transactions in the Chime app. This will help you stay aware of your remaining balance and manage your finances. Using Chime gift cards can be a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Enjoy your shopping.